Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok name in video CapCut. So if you want to remove the TikTok watermark from your videos, you can just follow this tutorial for easy method using CapCut. So the first method is you can just crop the video using CapCut. So first you can just launch the CapCut application. So once the CapCut is open, you can just tap on new project and select your TikTok video that you've just downloaded. You can tap on add. Now you see this video, you can just click on it. You can zoom in to crop the video like this. And you can also just click on a video and find the transform options. Tap on resize, and here you can just choose the size of the video by going it like this. But as you guys can see, when you use this method, some of the part of the video will be cropped. So that's not the method that I recommend. Let's move on to the next method, is to blur the watermark. So what you need to do here on CapCut is just duplicate the video first and click on one of the video and make it as overlay. Okay, now you just need to add the blur effect. Go to effects, video effects. Here add the blur effects under the lens category. I'm going to adjust the blur to around 75. Click on a check icon. Don't forget to adjust the durations of the blur. And now you can tap on the overlay video and go to the mask feature. Choose rectangle. Now drag the masking into where the watermark is, like this, and tap on invert. Click on a check icon, and just like that, the watermark will be blurred. And next, you can also use overlay, so you can add stickers or maybe logo to cover the overlay. So here I'm going to just, let's say, add stickers. You can just swipe until you find the sticker options. Now you can use any stickers to cover the watermark. Let's say I'm going to use the stickers right here. Tap on a check icon. Now move the sticker so that it will cover the watermark like this. Don't forget to adjust the durations of the sticker. And this is how it will look like now. So it's done. Now you have a clean TikTok video without the watermark. Let me know if you need more editing tips. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.